Hello, little friends. Today we are learn capital letter alphabet and small letter alphabet with color name. Dark green color, white color, peach pink color, brown color, purple color, pink color, black color, blue color, sky blue color, light green color, red color, orange color, yellow color. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Blue color, capital letter A. Small letter A. A for apple. Pink color, capital letter B. Small letter B. B for bicycle. Yellow color, capital letter C. Small letter C. C for car. Purple color, capital letter D. Small letter D. D for dog. Red color, capital letter E. Small letter E. E for elephant. Sky blue color, capital letter F. Small letter F. F for fish. Brown color, capital letter G. Small letter G. G for giraffe. Light green color, capital letter H. Small letter H. H for heart. Orange color, capital letter I. Small letter I. I for ice cream. Dark green color, capital letter Z. Small letter Z. Z for jar. Blue color, capital letter K. Small letter K. K for kitten. Pink color, capital letter L. Small letter L. L for leaf. Yellow color, capital letter M. Small letter M. M for mouse. Purple color, capital letter N. Small letter N. N for nest. Red color, capital letter O. Small letter O. O for owl. Sky blue color, capital letter P. Small letter P. P for pig. Brown color, capital letter Q. Small letter Q. Q for queen. Light green color, capital letter R. Small letter R. R for rabbit. Orange color, capital letter S. Small letter S. S for strawberry. Dark green color, capital letter T. Small letter T. T for tortoise. Blue color, capital letter U. Small letter U. U for umbrella. Pink color, capital letter V. Small letter V. V for violin. Yellow color, capital letter W. Small letter W. W for wheel. Purple color, capital letter X. Small letter X. X for X-ray. Red color, capital letter Y. Small letter Y. Y for yo-yo. Sky blue color, capital letter Z. Small letter Z. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Bye-bye. Hello kids, today we are learning A to Z and color name. White color, blue color, orange color, light green color, gray color, brown color, purple color, black color, red color, sky blue color, pink color, dark green color, yellow color, is pink color, pink color, capital letter A. Small letter A. E for X. E for X. Yellow color, capital letter B. Small letter B. B for ball. B for ball. Red color, capital letter C. Small letter C. C for cat. C for cat. Light green color, capital letter D. Small letter D. D for drum. D for drum. Sky blue color, capital letter E. Small letter E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Dark green color, capital letter F. Small letter F. F for frog. F for frog. Orange color, capital letter G. Small letter G. G for grapes. G for grapes. Blue color, capital letter H. Small letter H. H for hen. H for hen. Brown color I. Capital letter I. Small letter I. I for igloo. I for igloo. This pink color. Capital letter J. Small letter J. J for juice. J for juice. Black color. Capital letter K. Small letter K. K for kite. K for kite. Purple color. Capital letter L. Small letter L. L for leaf. L for leaf. Pink color. Capital letter M. Small letter M. M for monkey. M for monkey. Red color. Capital letter N. Small letter N. N for nurse. N for nurse. Yellow color. Capital letter O. Small letter O. O for octopus. O for octopus. Light green color. Capital letter P. Small letter P. P for pig. P for pig. Sky blue color. Q. Capital letter Q. Small letter Q. Q for quill. Q for quill. Dark green color. Capital letter R. Small letter R. R for robot. R for robot. Orange color. Capital letter S. Small letter S. S for sun. S for sun. Blue color. Capital letter T. Small letter T. T for tiger. T for tiger. Brown color. Capital letter U. Small letter U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Peace pink color. Capital letter V. Small letter V. V for fan. V for fan. Black color. Capital letter W. Small letter W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. Purple color. X. Capital letter X. Small letter X. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Pink color. Capital letter Y. Small letter Y. Y for UU. Y for UU. Red color. Capital letter Z. Small letter Z. Z for zoo. Z for zoo. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.